Well, there we are at Bradley Ponds, and just to show you a bit of pole fishing. Overcast day, a little bit of sunshine. Fishing at about 10 metres on expander pellet. Average depth's about 5, 6 foot. A nice roach, that, wasn't it? The roach crucian. Nice small crucian carp. And we're in again. It's not taking long on these. Let's see what it was. A nice little small crucian. Looking at it from where I am. Oh, there's a little common. Well, we had a doubles match here in Wallsview yesterday, Sunday, and I think it was £44 that won the match, £250. But it was hard going in because it was raining all day, so the weights weren't high. But today a little bit of sunshine and the They're straight on the feed, look. And that's after a match yesterday. There's plenty of fish in here. Rather nice fish. And the owner's just put the aerators in there. Put a bit of oxygen into the water. It's nice to see something like that. Like I say, there's a bit of a breeze today. And we're running the back of the breeze, as you can see, the toe of the water. It must be somewhere around about 5-6 foot out there. Maybe a little bit more when it's sort of full. The wind's blowing a bit. A bit awkward on the pole to keep it dead still, as you know, if you fish the pole. There we go then. And we're in again. But not big fish. Small. They'll soon make a weight up in your match when you're match fishing. Well, it's good for pleasure fishing as well. Only on a small float, something like 414s, bolt down to the bottom. Fishing dead depth on pellet. That's the most important thing to remember for new pole anglers. Is definitely, well, any fishing is get your depth right, check your depth, make sure that especially on the pellet, you're going to be dead depth, just so the float's just out of the water. And a bolt down shot down the bottom. Everybody has different preferences, but it's a bit awkward to see the float, but it's a little black float, or black tipped. A few small carp topping. Coming out to see the sunshine after yesterday's rain. There's one fish out of the other, then they go quiet for a while. And they come back and feed again. There we go, another one. I was watching that float and nice silverfish these. It's nice to be catching regular like this all the time, in matches and things like that. Or pleasure fishing, it's nice to be catching regular. And that one's just got up. Oh, and the elastic, what's being used today is Vespi, I think it's the olive, size 10. You don't bounce many fish on the hollow elastic, and lots of stretch in it. So yeah, take any fish, get a carp on it, silverfish. So in the summer, winter time you need a little lighter elastic, but summertime you need pretty medium to heavy. Because if you do it carp, it'll just take off. And just have a puller bung in the bottom. Like that. And we're in again. Seems to be one after the other. They're on the feed, definitely. And like I say, all on soft pellet. As you can see, we'll move the camera across the other side, so just a different angle. A bit more feed going in. Oops. It's awkward to try just to get the float in. It's just under the cup there. In a black float you can't see it very easy. I thought I'd move to this side just to keep the wind off the micro, and there we are, in again. Nice small silverfish these. Looks like a cruising. Can't see exactly. But they're nice fish when you're catching them regular in a match. Want a chuck. And they'll just vary. 8, 10, 12 ounces up to a pound, pound and a half of cruising scope. So nice cruising. I think the biggest in here is £2. So. But then if you're catching skimmers and small roaches, it's so nice to be catching all the time. And the wind's getting up a little bit, so it is a bit awkward to hold your pole dead straight. You've got to... He's fishing at about 10 metres, it would seem, I should say. There's an again. Yeah, nice cruiser, over a pound. Skimmer that, I think. Looks at it. Zoom into it and get into it. Look like a skimmer. And yeah, not far off the pound mark. Decent skimmers. Nice fish. You get 2 or 3 fish at once, and then it, like I say, a couple of minutes waiting for another bite. Doubt whether I can just see the tip of the float. You might not see it on camera, but they're towing it along. Yeah, a small one. Float just started to tow along the water then, so we knew we had a bite. Nice small fish, but I'm a carp topping as well. There we are in June, and it's given rain all week, so it's been pretty cold. It was cold last night. It was cold yesterday, down to about 7 degrees. So for June, that's very cold. And the rain, but fish seem to be acclimatising to the temperature of the water and started feeding again. Well, I'm going to blog off now and put this back onto YouTube for you. It's a short video of pole fishing at Bradley Ponds. So there you go. Tight lines all.